How to use Face ID to download apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Face ID and passcode. For security purposes, you will be required to enter your device passcode to proceed. Once you are on the Face ID and passcode screen, you will see various options for controlling how the feature is used and manage all your passcode settings. Now, at the top, turn the switch on for iTunes and App Store option. A pop-up will appear asking you to sign into your Apple account. Enter your password to enable the feature and tap on OK. Following these steps, you can easily use Face ID to download apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.